In today's video, I will show you how to turn off activity status on Tinder. Tinder uses a green dot and a recently active label to show other users if you have been online within the last 24 hours, which helps people figure out who is actively using the app. However, if you prefer to keep your swiping habits completely private and browse at your own pace, turning this feature off is the best workaround. To hide your online presence, open the Tinder app on your device. Next, tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From your profile view, tap the settings gear icon near the top right corner of your profile. Once you are inside the main configurations menu, scroll down until you find the activity status section and click settings under it. From there, simply toggle the show activity status switch to the off position and you will see it turn gray to confirm it is disabled. An important aspect of mutual visibility to keep in mind is that this privacy feature works as a two-way street, meaning when you turn off your status, you won't be able to see the activity status of other Tinder members either. And that's it. That's how to turn off activity status on Tinder.